The Adventure King's 12-volt control box comes with 5 pre-wired switches that make it so easy to add extra 12-volt accessories or circuits to your setup. Open the lid with a 3mm Allen key and you can see that all the switches are pre-wired and connected to fuses. So whichever switch you're working with, disconnect the fuse while you work. For a simple low power circuit like LED interior lighting, you'll just need to run power from this terminal. I'm using crimp terminals for the positive and negative, and I've used a DC plug on the outside so it's easy to connect to a 4-bar light kit and switch it on and off from here. And I'm using a quick connect plug directly from a battery box to provide power for testing. For more power-hungry circuits like LED camp lights, you can use these switches to trigger a relay, and an easy way to do that is with an Adventure King's LED driving light harness. Because we're using the switch on the 12-volt control box, we don't need all the wires here. All you need is this white wire connected straight to the back of that switch. These heavy-duty wires will connect directly to the binding posts. I've added a crimp terminal to the trigger wire, and then you can just plug it into whichever switch you want. Now to give it a test, I'm going to reconnect my temporary power, add the fuse back into the wiring harness, plug in the light, with this setup, you're really only limited by your imagination. You could use a low power circuit to run a canopy fan or a water pump, or a switched relay circuit for a heavy duty circuit, like an onboard air compressor. With 5 pre-wired switches, the Adventure King's 12-volt control box means you can build your 12-volt setup into anything that you want or need. It's super simple and modular, which means you can upgrade and update as you go and keep your setup looking professional.